Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
We are going to another episode of the Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us here today. You're going to...
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to their destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with the 3Rivers market report for Juneteenth 2024. Got a lot of up arrows, a lot of activity, got a lot of new listings. Active went down a little bit, but we still got more supply than we've had. Active available inventory came in at 466 homes, up 23 from last week, or 5%. Week over week. Year over year, it's up 35%. New listings came in up 14% week over week, up 23% year over year. Solds came in up 13% week over week, up 9% year over year. Pendings were down 18% week over week and down just 6% year over year. Median sale price came in at the highest I've seen, and as long as I can remember, $310,000, showing appreciation of 26%. So up 26% versus last year's number. Days on market slowed up a little bit to 25 average, 3 medium, which is normal over the last year, but that's versus last year at this time. It's quite a bit slower, as it was 11 average, 3 medium, but the median's still the same. Homes sold over the last 12 months came in at 4,341 versus last year at this time 4,679, showing down just 7.2% versus last year. That is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.